Comfort. What is comfort? Everybody has their own definition of comfort. If I take some example with regards to air conditioning and services, then for some, comfort is chilled room temperature as they can't bear heat. For some, feeling luxurious is the ultimate comfort. फिर ना बिल की चिंता ना कॉस्ट की, बस luxurious फील होना चाहिए. For some, it is pleasant moderate room temperature, not too high, not too low. For some, it is getting air conditioning in decided budget. For some, it is getting project done on time because time is a valuable asset for them. For some, it is reduced running cost. क्योंकि पहले तो ठंडा लगेगा पर एक बार बिल ज्यादा आना चालू हो गया तो 16 डिग्री में भी पसीना आता रहेगा. So basically, everybody has their own definition of comfort. And at Veritare, we make sure that everybody feels comfortable by giving them right solution and service. Let me take a short example to explain what we do exactly. There were two friends, Chunnu and Mannu. They planned to make their corporate offices and decided to have centralized air conditioning, that is VRV-VRF system as suggested by their architect. Chunnu and Mannu both got in touch with different HVAC guys for the requirement. The corporate houses were identical in terms of area. Chunnu gets a quotation of 30,78,000 for 68 TR system of X brand, and Mannu gets a quotation of 33 lakh for 60 TR of system of Y brand. So can you all tell me who has a great deal? Most of you might be thinking that Chunnu is in profit. But the fact is something different. Actually, Mannu is in profit. It is totally different than it looks. I'll tell you how. Let me explain you with some figures how Mannu is making profit. Normally, an air conditioning system is purchased keeping in mind that it will be in use for 7 to 8 years. I have seen some of the systems 15 years old and still in use. Let me make a table. So Chunnu's air conditioning system is of 68 TR, whereas Mannu's system is of 60 TR. The initial cost is 30,78,000 and 33 lakh respectively. Now comes the electricity cost. Assuming that the system will be used for 8 hours in a day and 200 days in a year, the cost for 7 years comes to 57,33,000 and 49,39,200 respectively. Now the maintenance cost. Annual comprehensive maintenance cost is around 2,500 to 3,000 per TR. Comprehensive means if any of the spare part fails, then it will be replaced or repaired without any cost. The cost for maintenance is 10,94,400 and 9,50,400 approximately. Now if we look at the comparison, Mannu's capital cost is definitely higher than Chunnu by almost 2,22,000 rupees. Coming to energy or electricity or power cost, Mannu is winning it. And if we look at the maintenance cost difference, 1,44,000. Oh, Chunnu is almost out of the race. And if we calculate the overall net difference, then you can see that the total money saved by Mannu is approximately 7,15,800. This is what we do. We give solution to the clients which can save their time, effort and money. The HVAC agency selected by Chunnu did 2-3 mistakes. One of those was he overcalculated the tonnage required, or maybe he was already aware but he somehow wanted to sell the product by convincing the client that he will be giving higher capacity at lower price, which was not at all required. He was basically doing what most of the people in market does, that is, he was selling product and not giving the solution. Now as you all know what we do, let's move to how we do. So this is how we do. We design the system, we execute, and then we provide after-sales services. Coming to designing part. Before starting the project, to understand the client's exact requirement so that we can design the solution perfectly, our executives do multiple rounds of meeting with client, architect, interior designer, and various agencies involved. As soon as we are clear with it, we calculate heat load to know how much tonnage of cooling is required. Then we do the machine selection. There are different type of machines. For example, split ACs. Everybody have this in their house. Then there is cassette ACs. You might have seen this in restaurants. Then there is ductable ACs. You might have seen this in auditorium and halls, having more weight. Remember, every application have different type of machine selection. In case of banquet, it is not preferred to have VRV machine because the banquet is in use for hardly 150 days in a year during the marriage season. So if we do VRV, then first thing, the capital cost will be higher. Plus, VRV systems are designed to work more efficiently at part load conditions. But in case of marriage hall, the capacity will be 90% of the time full. So VRV system is not the right thing for this application. Once the design part is done, then comes the execution part. Execution is very important because if the execution is not done properly, then the efforts done in designing the system fails, and it may result in increased running cost and maintenance. Before starting, we do a meetup with all the agencies working at site to ensure well-coordinated project execution and on-time delivery of services without compromising quality. Then comes the service part. Service part is where we never compromise because it is the deciding factor whether you will get referral business, recursive business or not. And the type of professionals we are working with, we have to make sure that we are nowhere behind. Our vision.